What is machine learning? This is something that maybe you've heard of, maybe you know how to describe it, maybe you don't. I tried to come up with a quick description based on this book. Machine learning is the science of adjusting the behavior of programs that learn from data by providing them with examples. This means that there is a program that is able to change how it works and what outputs it provides just by changing the data samples that we're given it. This means, for instance, if you have an algorithm that recognizes faces and recognizes 3 people, let's say Mark, Peter, and John, then you can retrain it and adjust the behavior to recognize different faces by showing it now 3 pictures of, I don't know, maybe Maria, Peter, and Pablo, for instance, right? So it's an algorithm that gets to adjust the way it works just by samples, and we don't have to change one line of code. The writer of this book defines it as the science and art of programming computers so they can learn from data. And a more general description from Arthur Samuel back from the 1950s is that machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. The part explicitly programmed here is super important. It means when you explicitly program a machine means that you're hard coding or typing with your hands all the instructions, all the rules or algorithms that the program has to do. Here we just have a general approach or a general set of behaviors that then can be adjusted. For instance, that behavior could be recognize objects as images or recognize exactly where objects are on an image, but not recognize that a car has maybe a wide proportion and a low height and then a certain shape, right? It learns from the features on the image, on the data samples. Hey, it's Nono. This video was part of the machine learning series. Please go ahead and like it if you'd like to see similar content on my channel. And subscribe if you want to get notified when I publish new videos or when I go live. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.